Denver Nuggets versus Minnesota Timberwolves, game number 3. NBA Western Conference Semifinal. Lamang ang Wolves sa serye 2-0.
Karl-Anthony Towns and Rudy Gobert back after missing game 2 due to Murray inside to Jokic. Porter Jr. run off the three-point line, back out to Caldwell Pope. A long 2 is good. Shooting. Total of 8 points. Got into the paint, elevates and scores. Hand check, but a guy is not.
First quarter lamang ang Nuggets. 20-20.
In absence of Rudy Gobert, Caldwell Pope on the baseline knocks one down. With confidence. Edwards.
Lumubo ang lamang pagkatapos ng first half sa 15 points. 56-41 para sa Nuggets. Lalo pang lumubo sa third quarter sa 27 points. 93-66. Wala nang intensity ang laro sa fourth quarter at parang naging scrimmage na lamang. Nanalo ang Denver Nuggets. Ang final score 117-90. 2-1 na ngayon ang serye. Lamang pa rin ang Wolves